Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Firefox browser on ZTE Blade V40s. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here go for the search pool and enter Firefox. Now let's select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to run the app. Here you can customize it with a different theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices. You can also change privacy protection and read the privacy notice. Here finally click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.